Welcome back to Carolina Grunt Cuddles. Hopefully today we're gonna get this 6x6 going a little better. Maybe get it welded up soon. We gotta get the sprocket in and all this, but hopefully we're gonna have a running soon. And I hope y'all been enjoying the videos, and welcome all the new subscribers. I hope y'all enjoy it too. Okay guys, so part of the 6x6 build, we decided to take the brake drum off, and that's where we're gonna put our sprockets. That's the way we're going right now. So we got the hub off, bottle pin and that nut right there. Now we're going to have to get these off, and then all these 8mm plus the shield down here. Just walking along on it, we're going to get that off, and we're going to put the sprocket there whenever we get ready. But right now we're just trying to get it off to measure it and stuff. Got some grinding to do there to make it so we have some good welds and get all the, because you know, it's this old frame of brackets there where you can kind of see them in there. We got to get those out the way. Before us is just get this brake drum out, so that way we have a starting point to figure out how big of a sprocket we need for it. I wonder why my brakes ain't working. Full of waddle. Well, luckily I'm deleting it, but it tells me that my rear end's full of waddle too. So go ahead and put some seals in it, and go ahead and drain everything out when I get done with this. Okay guys, we got the brake off, pain in the butt. You got splines on it, so we're gonna probably cut most of this away, leave just that piece right there. Do whatever we have to. We have to fix, well, it's bolted on right there, so everything beyond this point leave. Then see if we can find a chain and a sprocket, not chain, a sprocket that goes on those. Then you tighten these bolts up, push it against there, and voila guys, we might have something here. I mean, I just felt like taking this apart. Next we'll be taking that apart, but I feel like one piece at a time. Get this sprocket and then start working on that, and before you know it, we'll have this thing together. The 6x6 is becoming a pain. There's a lot of tires to change out, guys. Okay guys, we got the silverbacks mounted on the I guess rear axle now. We got this one. The other one had a small leak, well actually a big leak, so we had to order a tube for that. So waiting for that. Sadly that one goes on that side, the one with the whole hub off, so I don't feel like putting that on and showing it right now. Put the Outlaw, the OG Outlaws up front. I think they're gonna clear. Ain't for sure. They give me, oh wait, no, they ain't gonna clear. We're gonna have to cut that bar off, guys. I had some plans anyways. I got my shock, what is that? The shocks right here. I think I'm gonna put these on to give a little lift. And other than that, things seem to be going well. We're gonna put I plan on putting the shocks on. I got some floor boards I'm gonna custom make for it. And we're just coming along, guys, piece by piece. Before you know it, this thing will be welded together and ready to go. Okay guys, just figured I'll show you an update what she looks like with the tiles. Got the Outlaws up front and the silverbacks on back. I mean, she's just laying on top of it right now, guys. I just kind of put her. This is what she looks like. It's similar to what she's gonna look like. I think we're gonna we might close in the gap in the rear, might leave it, you know. By the way, this isn't lined up right now. This laying here. Don't get assuming that. I always get the same comments. That's crooked or that's not right. Well, it's not supposed to be. I don't have it up there yet. It's just kind of there. But that's what she's gonna look like, boys and girls. Got the silverbacks in the back and the Outlaws in the front. Okay, I mean, I think she's looking pretty good. I mean, I've really just been doing a lot of prep work lately, grinding all the different angles that were up here down. And I had to cut the seaway hitch off right there. You can see where it was broken. Had to cut it off. Of course, it left a nice little hole right there, which I'm gonna cut this whole spot out for the sprocket. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Doing a lot of prep work, so we're not really making much headway right now. But hey, it is what it is. We'll get there piece by piece. Right now, my buddy's getting a sprocket to go in the front brake drum. I mean the middle, or back, whatever you want to call it now. I guess the middle brake drum. We're getting it. We're getting everything piece by piece, and before you know it, we'll have it all set together. and I'm keeping y'all updated piece by piece. I know these videos seem a little scattered, but that's because I record them whenever I get something going on. I mean, I don't have a lot of time, so I can't do it all in one day. I have to do it day by day, but I want to keep y'all informed, just kind of show you what's going on. I think she's looking mean. I mean, whenever she gets straight, she's gonna be a bad mamma jamma.
One eternity later.
Guys, welcome back. It's been like 2 weeks. We've been trying to get the sprocket, and they sent us the wrong one, and then this and that. Finally, we finally got the sprocket, and we finally got it on. Man, look at that thing. She's up there. She's good. Now we gotta, of course, put the frame up there and get the other 3 sprockets the way we're doing it. But guys, I think that's gonna work. Got to tighten it up and everything. But other than that, we got this thing going. Let's see. I had the piece of paper. There was a piece of paper. Hang on. We'll do this little piece of paper here. See what size it is. It is. Dang. Okay. So here's I got it from Napa. There's the part numbers for it. There's a sprocket, and there's the bushing. In case you're wondering what they charge us for it. Yeah, they charge us a pretty penny for it. But there's the part number if anybody's trying to order one of these. I can't remember the number on it right now. It says it on the sprocket, but I save my life, I can't get to it right now to look. I think it's up underneath it. Anyway, that's the parts number. So now we're gonna start putting this thing together. We're trying to figure out the best way to put it together right now. But other than that, we're about to start doing this, guys. I think we about got where you want. I mean, I'm debating on if I want to move it closer in. If I move it closer in, though, and if I put a bigger tile, they're gonna hit, and you'd have to redo everything. I'm just sizing it up right now, but we're about to start cutting and welding and getting it framed up a little bit, and then all we have to do is put the sprockets on. So I'll keep recording, show y'all everything we got to do. Got to take those old pegs off because look how close it is on that side. Anyways, I'll record everything I can, guys. We're just getting the welding done, guys. Putting it all together finally. Okay, guys, we got it tack welded. We're putting some bolts in to ensure that it doesn't come apart. We're just putting some welds and putting 4 bolts in it to make sure they will never come off. And then put some braces underneath, guys. Just, man, we're getting there, guys. Before you know it, it'll be running. Go ahead, squeeze it down again. Look at that, guys. Articulation. It ain't coming apart, is it, bud?
No, sir.
We got it. Hey, if it don't stay, it means the whole frame broke off.
4 bolts.
4 bolts and weld. Now to get these bottom braces on. Well, guys, we got it welded up. We got it bolted up. Sorry about the bubble gum. We're gonna put a little bit more weld up there. And guess what? She works. We're gonna put a brace. We're gonna put a brace down here, up to where the old rack is from there, and same thing from there from the rack, and that's where we're gonna put it. And we'll probably cut that ball when we decide we don't need it. And guys, that'd be it. We're gonna go get the sprockets today, and we're gonna have this thing running probably in the next week or 2. Wish us luck. Just look at that thing. Woo, looking good. Well, guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. My buddy went to get the sprockets. Hopefully in 2 weeks, we'll be able to have this thing going and mudding, well, a little bit mudding. I'm going to have to go ahead and order a gear reduction, but I need to talk to some guys who know something about gill adduction, see what they recommend, see if they can help me out. But thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.